beautiful people. Is the one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, today's topic it shocked me like seriously. I don't know, sometimes things they happen, things they really happen. Sometimes I dey wonder why it be say some women they wicked, some people they wicked. This life no balance, e no balance at all, my darling people. Una need to see video wey be say, if not be say YouTube no go gree because of the small pikin yansh wey dey show. So I no go fit put the video because of YouTube guideline. They no go gree. Because if I put am, na be say I don't violate their rules, you understand? So my darling people, why I dey do this topic be say, why it be say some people dey wicked for this life? Why? Why? If they give you pikin make you take care of, if you no fit, why you no give the owner back? Now when you can't do this kind of thing to the pikin, when you can't born this kind small pikin, give am this kind torture like this. If na your own pikin, you go do am to am. You go do am to am. You this wicked woman, my darling people. This woman just carry iron. I don't know wetin this small pikin do am. He carry iron take burn in yansh. If una see this small pikin yansh, he finish. He finish. If una see in yansh, wetin this woman do? Na only God na him go judge you. Only God na him go judge you. This kind of woman, they supposed to torture am small. How you go just burn pikin yansh like that because of waiting? Because say they carry am make he stay with you. Why una dey treat una as girl like this? Wetin he do you? Wetin he do you? Because say you send a message, you no quick come back, or you no fit cook well, or you break plate. Why una dey wicked like this? Why? Why people dey wicked like this? E no good, my darling people. Sometimes I dey wonder why e be say our boys, our women, they always dey behave like this. Wey be say they carry pikin give una more una take care of. Why una dey always dey behave like this? Why una life be like this? E no good, my darling people. When I see the video, I shocked. Lies, the thing shock me, e pain me. E pain me because things dey really happen for this world, really. Things dey really happen. When I see the video, I fear. The thing shock me. E pain me because this small girl dey innocent. He not do anything bad. He not do anything bad for her to stay with you. If you no fit take care of am again, carry am go give him mama. Than when you go just dey wicked like that, they treat her like that. Carry am go give him mama, e dey more better than when you come begin dey beat pikin like that. Just carry iron. Your mind don't even do you bad. Something not do you for mind. Say, if I stop the I want to do this kind of thing so. The pains where that pikin go dey pass through, they not go fit sit down for how many months? Because the yansh really burn well. You will know say you want to see the video, you feel add me for WhatsApp. I will give you the video. Because I don't fit put the video for here. YouTube not go gree lie. My darling people, things they happen. Things they happen for this world. Make we dey use our HQ sometimes. So when I see this video, I shocked her lies 10 times. The thing, it pain me. It pain me because people they wicked. People they wicked for this world. People they wicked, very, very wicked for this world. So my darling people, I no go fit put the video for here. But anybody will kneel down. If he ask me for the video, I will give him. But me no go fit put the video for here because sometimes when I see the video, like the thing really pain me. It pain me because how somebody where you say you call yourself a child of God, you can't just treat small pikin like that. Why? What did this small pikin do you? What did this one know? He don't know anything. He don't know anything. What did he know? What did this small pikin know when you call your treat her like this? If they treat your own pikin like that, you go like her. You don't go like her. And you don't go there happy put. So why you can't treat another person like that? My darling people. Maybe they reason, no. Maybe they think before we go to do something sometimes, take am to your own self, say, wetin I want do so na good thing. Na good thing. This one pikin when I want treat like this, if they do it to me, how you go feel. You feel reason to yourself. That is why this life, at the talk and say no balance. The life no just balance at all. If they do it to your own pikin, you go like her. That's why they watch human rights that day. A teacher beat small pikin like that. If you want to see mark for different pikin body. And like they do that teacher that day, they have to arrest her. Then torture her small. So that next time she beg and beg and beg. Say no, say you treat the small pikin like that. How can a teacher for school go just beat pikin like that? For Europe here, they don't they beat pikin. On our way to Nigeria, they don't they beat pikin. But Nigeria, no, they go beat small pikin. Small pikin when they beat, so never have reached how many years we beat am. I don't know. I don't understand why it be say our women, our people, we just believe on beating. Then they torture pikin. We just believe say if you beat pikin, that pikin go take the discipline. No, na dey for they get am wrong. They don't go the discipline like that. No. Correct pikin with mouth. Correct her with mouth. You must not beat and I go take get sense. No. No, we not they do this thing again. It's not good. It's not good, my darling people. This one fear me, shocktalize me. I just say make I come tell our people, say, see another one wey don happen again. Like this one, it surprised me. It's not good. It's not good at all. Maybe the reason before we go to do things sometimes. This one shocked me, shocktalize me. Like the thing really pain me, really. It really pain me when I see this small pikin. Because I dey imagine what that small pikin go dey pass through now. The pains, and darling people, this is the happen for this world, sha. I just make I can't tell you now. We say yeah, the one where they happen, So I go just put short video, but I go cover some parts because YouTube not go agree like that. You understand? Thank you, everybody. I will put a video more I just watch. But who want really watch and wait? If you see add me for WhatsApp, then I go give her the video. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remain your friend, your sister. And always put thumbs up anytime you watch my video. And always share my video. Let the video go viral. Thank you. Bye.
This girl, they born her bum bum. Look at it. Let me see.
She came on Tuesday.
Madam,
and she didn't tell me.
Born her bum bum. I don't know what this woman was thinking. The name of Keshu. Look at. With iron. That matter. Look at this. See.
That is the funniest.
Okay, this world is wicked. This is wickedness. See this girl.
On
this
Monday,
innocent
on
girl.
Tuesday, they want one auntie want to. She came late because she normally came late. They want.
Let me see the.
What is it?
Which one? That's what I'm saying. I said, let me see where the pour the. Is it here? What did you use, madam? Ayo. Let me see. Don't be ashamed of me, sir, please. You say you wanted to take her to hospital. Which hospital? Why can't you take her to either staff hospital or... Let's go to hospital. I think she has been around 5 to 6 years.
Okay.
This thing happened when? When did this thing happen? On Monday, Tuesday, today is Thursday.
We've been using this thing.
You start taking her to hospital?
No, I took her to this pharmacy.
Okay. Pharmacy. Sorry, don't try at all. Let's go to the office.